Welcome. Today, we'll be reviewing the work search requirements for individuals receiving Reemployment Assistance benefits. Reemployment Assistance, or RA, is designed to provide temporary financial support while individuals actively search for work. It's important to understand these requirements so benefits can continue without interruption. RA is funded by employers through taxes. Workers themselves do not pay into this plan. To remain eligible week to week, claimants must meet certain requirements per South Dakota codified laws. For example, under Administrative Rule 47-06-04-21, claimants must make at least 2 job contacts each week for which they request benefits. These job contacts must be made in the manner customarily required by the employer, whether that's applying online, in person, or through another method. Fraud is taken very seriously. Any intentional false statement or failure to provide accurate information in order to receive benefits counts as fraud. This includes falsely reporting job contacts that never happened. The penalties can be severe: repayment of benefits, fines, and even denial of future benefits. In short, don't risk it. Always be truthful and accurate. While on benefits, claimants are expected to actively search for and pursue employment opportunities. This isn't just about checking boxes. It's about making genuine efforts to re-enter the workforce. This includes actively looking for work in a good faith effort each week you request benefits. Contact at least 2 different employers and apply in the manner instructed. Keep detailed records of your job contacts, including emails sent and confirmation numbers. Your work search may be checked at any time. Calling an employer to ask about job openings is not a valid job contact. You must provide enough details to verify each of your job contacts. Examples include email confirmations, screenshots of completed submissions, and follow-up emails from employers. To stay in compliance, job contacts must be verifiable. That means you need to record specific details about each application, such as business name, person contacted, date of application, position applied for, phone number and address, and if you applied online, the website URL. This documentation ensures your efforts can be confirmed if reviewed. Examples of acceptable job contacts include submitting formal applications, such as requiring an online or in-person application, meeting with hiring managers, and applying through verified job postings. Contacts must be made with a person or entity who has hiring authority. You must be willing and qualified to do the work. The key is that the contacts should show real intent and action towards securing employment. On the other hand, not all activities count. For example, reapplying at the same employer unless it's for a different position or at least 30 days have passed. Simply registering with a staffing agency. Checking online listings without applying. Using your current part-time or on-call employer. Asking if someone is hiring without submitting an application. Phone-only contacts, self-employment attempts, or contacting family members. All of these are non-acceptable and won't count toward your required weekly job contacts. Use caution when applying through third-party websites, such as Indeed, Facebook, or Kelloland Employment. While some postings are legitimate, others may provide inaccurate or unverifiable information and may not actually connect you with an employer. Always ensure your job contacts can be supported with documentation. If an employer requires you to apply in person or through their official website, follow that process. Keep in mind that third-party sites can contain fraudulent job listings posted by scammers. Never share sensitive information until you have verified the source. The safest practice is to apply directly with the employer. Even if you're working part-time, you're still required to make job contacts unless specifically instructed otherwise. The goal of Reemployment Assistance is to support you while you look for full-time employment. All of the details we've covered today are available in your Claimant Handbook. It's your responsibility to review and understand the requirements to remain eligible for benefits. If you ever have questions, don't hesitate to call customer service at 605-626 2452 for help.